Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for this edition of the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. Well, what a day. We put in a spinning top, and if you sat through the day like I did, day trading, we went up, we came back all down. Looks like it was going lower, and in the basically last hour, regained everything and put in a nice close. If you remember from last night and actually the night before, we noted we needed to hold this 50 period EMA, which is at 76.14, and we did that. We also needed to hold the trend line, which we were able to do. Okay, so we do have to hold this trend line that we put in, and I'll back it up so you can see all the way back again from 922. So we're doing that so far. So far, so good. The 200 period moving average is now down to 92.44. We're getting closer and closer. But the key here again is this 50 period EMA. And of course the 20. One would expect some sort of retracement at some point down to the 20. But my T8, the 20, and the 50 we're holding. Good signs. Okay, let's take a look at the, what are we going to look at tonight? Oh, we looked at the trend analysis the other night. Let's look at these. Look at something different here. Momentum indicators. The stochastic oscillator. If you remember, I'll refresh your memory, it's above 80 or below 20. It's trading right now at 85.3. This is an overbought reading, over 80, and it is a sell signal based on stochastic oscillator. The relative strength index, the RSI, which is above 70 or below 30, is showing a current value of 59.34, neither overbought or oversold, right in the middle. The CCI, or the Commodity Channel Index, it's above 100 for oversold or below minus 100, and it's currently trading at 112. So this is an overbought reading. So based on oscillators, one would expect some sort of little pullback. So we'll have to see if we do get that. Now let's take a look at the Trend chart checkup. The overall price bias is sideways. Short-term prices are stalling, and intermediate term they're trending. The projected upper bound is 82.73. The lower bound now is 71.93. The Dow closed up 87 points. Volume was about 8% above average, and Bollinger Bands now are 21% wider than normal. For the technical outlook, the short term is overbought. And again, just go back to those oscillators we were just talking about. You can see a number of them are overbought. The intermediate term is bullish, but the long term is still bearish. The Dow is currently 18.7% below its 200 period moving average, and now that actually has turned, even though it doesn't look it, and it's in a little upward trend. The trend forecasting oscillators are currently bullish, and they've had this outlook for the last 4 periods. So that's it for today's analysis of the Dow. I hope that you join Uncle Mike tomorrow. Tell your friends about it for the quick Dow directions, our quick technical analysis of the Dow each night. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow evening.